Welcome to Quiz Splash, where questions hit fast and fun splashes harder. From apps and logos to trivia, puzzles, and brain teasers. Every video is a quick challenge for your mind. Play along, test yourself, and see how many you can get right. Let the quiz begin. WhatsApp. One message can start a conversation, or end one. Now, let's move on to the next challenge. Instagram, where photos look perfect and life looks better than reality. Ready for the next app? Facebook, old friends, new drama, and endless scrolling. Let's move on. Messenger, seen the message, but no reply. Guess what's coming next? Snapchat, blink and the message is gone. Can you guess the next app? TikTok. One video turns into 1 hour. Next one, focus. YouTube. Came for one video, stayed for 20. Alright, next. Twitter, short words, big arguments. Next challenge coming up. Telegram. Privacy lovers, this one's for you. Let's continue. Discord. Where gamers and communities never sleep. Next app. Zoo. You're muted, again. Moving on. Skype, the classic video calling legend. Next up. Gmail. Inbox full, motivation empty. Let's go. Outlook, where emails, meetings, and reminders all fight for your attention. Alright, can you guess the next one? Firefox, the browser that keeps the web fast, open, and private. Alright, can you guess the next one? Spotify, music for every mood you didn't know you had. Guess the next one. SoundCloud, music from everywhere. Guess again. Netflix, are you still watching? Of course you are, next. Prime Video, movies, series, and originals all just one click away. Alright, can you guess the next one? Disney Plus, from timeless classics to epic adventures, all in one place. Alright, can you guess the next one? Hulu, from hit shows to exclusive originals, streaming made simple. Alright, can you guess the next one? Pinterest, ideas saved forever. Next. Reddit, the front page of opinions. Next app. LinkedIn, where careers grow and connections matter. Alright, can you guess the next one? Quora, where questions meet curious minds. Alright, can you guess the next one? Medium, where ideas turn into stories worth reading. Alright, can you guess the next one? Uber, your ride is arriving, maybe. Next. Lyft, tap, ride, and arrive. Alright, can you guess the next one? Airbnb, stay anywhere, feel at home everywhere. Alright, can you guess the next one? Google Maps, turning "where am I" into "I've got this." Alright, can you guess the next one? Waze, real drivers, real-time shortcuts. Alright, can you guess the next one? PayPal, payments without sharing secrets. Next app. Venmo, paying friends, made social. Alright, can you guess the next one? Cash App, money moves instantly. Next. Stripe, powering payments behind the scenes. Alright, can you guess the next one? Binance, the world of crypto trading. Ready? Coinbase, crypto for beginners. Next up. Trust Wallet, your crypto, your keys, your control. Alright, can you guess the next one? Robinhood, investing made simple, for everyone. Alright, can you guess the next one? Amazon, from daily needs to late night impulse buys. Next one. eBay, where treasures, deals, and surprises await. Alright, can you guess the next one? Etsy, handmade, unique, and made just for you. Alright, can you guess the next one? AliExpress, waiting weeks for your order, but it's worth it. Let's move on. Shopee, your favorite deals, just a tap away. Alright, can you guess the next one? Flipkart, big deals, bigger discounts. Let's continue. Dara's, online shopping made local. Guess the next app. Foodpanda, your favorite meals, delivered fast. Alright, can you guess the next one? Uber Eats, your favorite meals, delivered at lightning speed. Alright, can you guess the next one? DoorDash, delicious meals delivered straight to your door. Alright, can you guess the next one? Zomato, discover, order, and enjoy your favorite meals. Alright, can you guess the next one? Swiggy, hot meals delivered fast, right to your door. Alright, can you guess the next one? Duolingo, learning with reminders. Next. Coursera, learn new skills from top universities, anytime, anywhere. Alright, can you guess the next one? Udemy, learn anything, anytime, from experts around the world. Alright, can you guess the next one? Khan Academy, education for all. Next. Notion, organize your work, ideas, and life all in one place. Alright, can you guess the next one? Evernote, capture ideas, notes, and plans all in one place. Alright, can you guess the next one? Trello, organize your tasks and projects with boards and cards. Alright, can you guess the next one? Asana, manage your tasks and teams with ease. Alright, can you guess the next one? Slack, team communication made simple and organized. Alright, can you guess the next one? Microsoft Teams, collaborate, chat, and meet, all in one place. Alright, can you guess the next one? Google Drive, where files disappear and reappear magically. Next. Dropbox, store, share, and access your files anywhere. Alright, can you guess the next one? OneDrive, your files, photos, and documents, all in the cloud. Alright, can you guess the next one? Canva, design without design skills. Keep going. Figma, design, prototype, and collaborate, all in one place. Alright, can you guess the next one? Adobe Lightroom, photos, perfected. Moving on. Adobe Photoshop, edit, create, and bring your images to life. Alright, can you guess the next one? CapCut, edit like a pro on mobile. Next. InShot, videos made social ready. Guess the next one. VLC, plays everything. Guess again. MX Player, entertainment non-stop. Next. Shazam, music identified instantly. Next. Google Photos, reliving memories you forgot. Ready? Apple Music, stream your favorite songs anytime, anywhere. Alright, can you guess the next one? Yandex, search, maps, and services, all in one place. Alright, can you guess the next one? Opera, browse the web fast, safe, and smart. Alright, can you guess the next one? Brave, browse the web faster, safer, and ad-free. Alright, can you guess the next one? DuckDuckGo, search the web privately, without being tracked.